Good morning, friends and families. Today for our toddler activity, we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to make pancakes. Now, to make pancakes, you need your mom and your dad or an older adult to help you with this activity. But make sure you let them know you want to do all the mixing and all the pouring. So for this activity, I have an ingredients list, and the ingredients are the stuff we have to add to make the pancakes. So our first ingredient is 1 1/2 cup of flour. Now flour looks like this. It's a white powder, and then you're gonna add it in. I've already added my flour in, as you can see the white powder. Next, you're gonna need 3 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And a teaspoon is a smaller spoon. And baking powder is another white powder like this. Now I've already added that as well into this mixture. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt. Most salts have a shaker. You can shake, shake, shake. Mine's a grinder. We grind our salt in this house. But you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of that. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now sugar is super sweet and powdery, and you're gonna use one of these bigger spoons to pour the sugar in. And then you're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of milk. Now that is a bigger spoon, and I already put the milk in as well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix, mix, mix. You're gonna mix this all together until we have a nice batter, and then we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Ooh, it's looking like pancake mix. What color do you guys think it is? Do you think it's green? Do you think it's purple? Or it's white, isn't it? Now we're gonna add in our egg. You might need help with this, but we're gonna crack the egg over the side, and we're gonna just ploop it in there. And we're gonna set the eggshell aside. And then we're gonna add butter. And we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We're just gonna pour that in there. And then I'm gonna see you back here in a minute after it's all mixed up and ready to go. Okay guys, so I have my batter all mixed up, as you can see. So now you're gonna need your mom and dad's help because the stoves are very hot. And if you touch, ouch, you could get very hurt, so you need your parents' help. So I have my stove warming up with my pan and some butter in the pan. I'm gonna take my cup. I'm gonna get some pancake mix in it. And we are going to pour it into the pan just like this. Our pancake is forming so nicely. And then we're gonna wait a little bit. And we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Hi guys, so we have our pancakes. I made a whole bunch of them, and then I'm on to my last one. We flip it and we flip it, and it's all done. So I'm gonna put it on my plate, and then I'm gonna make sure to turn my stove off. And there you go, our fun pancakes. And we're learning all about numbers, mixing materials. We're using our fine motor skills to mix, and we're having fun while doing it and making a delicious breakfast. So I have all my pancakes. You can put butter on them, you can put syrup on them, you can put fruit on them, and you can also mix in chocolate chips, strawberries, blueberries, any type of ingredient you want into your pancakes. And make sure you take lots of pictures while doing this, and we look forward to seeing your pictures. And I hope you guys have a great day.